Maintenance Assets Manager. Webinar. Engineer. Ibrahim Hamd. Web-based maintenance assets management software. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Module number 1. Assets and Locations. Module number 2A. Inventory Parts. Module number 2B. Parts Request for Quotation and Purchase Orders.
Module number 3. Maintenance Team. Module number 4. Work Orders in Predictive. Reports for Everything.
Maintenance Assets Manager.
Web-based software that simplifies the management of enterprise assets and equipment, maintenance schedules, inventory, work order routing, and reporting
More efficiently and provides management with real-time visibility into the status of their assets and maintenance plans.
Maintenance Assets Manager software.
reduce the risk of machine downtime, better manage technician movements, build a maintenance knowledge base,
Work from anywhere, at any time. Provides you with a powerful, intuitive, and easy-to-use solution at an affordable price.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Web-based maintenance assets management software.
web-based enterprise asset management, EAM, web-based computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Business sectors that can use our software. Who can use Maintenance Assets Manager?
It is a solution keeps a computer database of information about an organization's assets and their maintenance operations. This information is intended to help maintenance technicians carry out their operations more effectively.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Web-based maintenance assets management software. Web-based enterprise asset management, EAM.
Web-based computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Assets Manager. For the oil and gas industry. The oil and gas business sector.
The oil and gas industry faces an ever-growing pressure to meet the needs of people worldwide.
For the suppliers of these precious resources, optimal business performance is critical. Downtime from machine failure is one of the most expensive and complicated problems that can occur during an operation.
That's why successful oil and gas companies today should use maintenance assets management software to manage all their machine maintenance.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Web-based maintenance assets management software.
Web-based enterprise asset management, EAM. Web-based computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Assets Manager. For manufacturing plants. Business sector.
Within an asset-intensive industry, such as manufacturing, asset maintenance is a vital practice necessary to ensure consistent production and reduced breakdowns.
With Maintenance Assets Manager, performing careful maintenance management, manufacturing plants can be sure that their assets and equipment will be operating at their optimum potential at all times. Manage data.
Maintenance schedules and work order assignments through Maintenance Assets Manager to improve and expedite the workflow at any manufacturing business.
Maintenance Assets Manager.
Web-based maintenance assets management software. Web-based enterprise asset management. EAM. Web-based computerized maintenance management system. CMMS. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Assets Manager for healthcare facilities. Business sector.
People in charge of the maintenance and management of medical facilities and equipment at healthcare establishments know that it is a 24/7 job that goes on for 365 days a year.
Any kind of mistake or unwanted equipment failure can be very costly, and the same applies to its infrastructure as well. That's why running a hospital today is unimaginable without the help of a specialized system like
Maintenance Assets Manager. Healthcare. Web-based maintenance assets management software, which is especially made for healthcare providers and offers modules that can adapt to the specific needs of your hospital or practice.
Maintenance Assets Manager.
web-based maintenance assets management software. Web-based enterprise asset management. EAM. Web-based computerized maintenance management system. CMMS. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Assets Manager for building and facility maintenance. Business sector.
Maintenance Assets Manager's web-based maintenance assets management software is vital for the maintenance management of buildings, commercial real estate properties, and working facilities.
With several companies competing to attract tenants and other consumers to their buildings and facilities, these properties must be faithfully cared for and maintained to keep profits and the market price up. Thorough facility maintenance increases the value of buildings,
while attracting more tenants or companies and improving the overall experience of those who use the facility. With web-based maintenance assets management software, businesses can guarantee that their buildings are being carefully maintained.
Maintenance Assets Manager.
Web-based maintenance assets management software. Web-based enterprise asset management. EAM. Web-based computerized maintenance management system. CMMS. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Assets Manager for schools, colleges, and universities. Business sector.
Academic institutions use thousands of pieces of equipment and critical systems every day to ensure that students, faculty members, and others are working without interruptions.
The maintenance team must make sure that critical equipment like computers, HVAC systems, and air conditioners are working properly.
Our Maintenance Assets Manager for schools, colleges, and universities simplifies maintenance management, reduces breakdowns, and provides a holistic view of updates. Maintenance Assets Manager. It is a solution for any business sector and in the enterprise assets maintenance management.
Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Web-based maintenance assets management software. Web-based enterprise asset management. EAM. Web-based computerized maintenance management system. CMMS. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Assets Manager software. General features.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Operational efficiency.
Integrated Maintenance Assets Manager features improve operational efficiency.
To increase longevity and usefulness for your assets.
The Maintenance Assets Manager software ensures that timely maintenance of assets and equipment to increase longevity and usefulness.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Increase employee productivity.
The Maintenance Assets Manager software to increase employee productivity by assigning and individually monitoring their activities.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Maximize return on investment.
Maintenance Assets Manager software minimizes asset waste and depreciation to ensure maximized productivity and return on investment.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Asset management.
Maintenance Assets Manager software enable you to store all asset data, including equipment details, information about suppliers or vendors, efficiency levels, capacity, warranty details, operation manuals, notes, images, and documents, etc.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Resource assignment.
Maintenance Assets Manager software identify, assign, and schedule the most applicable resources to provide equipment maintenance services as well as other tasks, ensuring maximum utilization, productivity, and accountability.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Inventory management.
Maintenance Assets Manager easily track all of your inventory, quickly retrieve information and check them in and out of inventory, keeping all records in a centralized location for easier management.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Secure access.
Maintenance Assets Manager built-in administrative controls for managing permissions to access information and perform certain tasks.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Decision making.
Maintenance Assets Manager reporting system empowers decision makers to operate more effectively with real-time access to the data that they need, when they need it.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Cloud architecture.
Maintenance Assets Manager save money on IT infrastructure costs. It is a cloud-based solution that reduces your IT human resources and hardware investment.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Scalability.
Maintenance Assets Manager highly scalable cloud infrastructure that can be easily upgraded or downgraded to meet operational needs.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Web and Apple iOS mobile app.
Handle all Maintenance Assets Manager tasks and view all data directly from the Apple iOS mobile app. All data is also available through the corresponding web application.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Improve the longevity and performance of your assets.
Some of your assets require more care while others don't. Customize maintenance schedules for all of them using our Maintenance Assets Manager software. Optimizing your equipment and business by enabling your assets to last longer and perform better.
General features for Maintenance Assets Manager software.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Web-based maintenance assets management software.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement.
You will get with us financial benefits, technical benefits, relationship benefits, and more.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement. Share success in delivering the future of business digital transformation. Take your business to the next level by expanding your portfolio with Maintenance Assets Manager.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement. Build expertise by sharing customer behavior and preferences.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement. Provide your customers with innovative web-based solutions.
The Maintenance Assets Manager Partnership, Collaboration and Agreement.
To create with our partners strategic business relationship.
To help achieve our mutual business objectives.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement benefits.
Partnership, collaboration and agreement financial benefits.
Financial benefits focused on boosting your bottom line, creating new source of revenue and helping you compete.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement benefits.
Partnership, collaboration and agreement. Technical benefits.
Our technical benefits delivering the technical insight you need to build your business strategies. Ask and get answers to your technical questions. And participate in discussions to attract business by showing the value you provide as a partner.
Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement benefits.
Partnership, collaboration and agreement. Relationship benefits.
Relationship benefits that help you work with us more effectively, stay informed about our extensive product portfolio and tap into our vast channel partner resources. We are ready for you to be inside our Maintenance Assets Manager. Partnership, collaboration and agreement. Engineer Ibrahim Hamd.